Another feature that the GCX editor offers is what I'm calling advanced behavior modding. So to show that off, I'm going to once again work in the tanker on level W01F, and we're going to do something a little interesting. We're going to take some of the break behaviors for breaking glass bottles. There's several different behaviors that happen for breaking glass bottles that get called in the GCX. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leverage a known function that is called when certain glass bottles are broken, and I'm going to add a behavior to it. Instead of simply replacing it, it will do what it was doing before and more. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to once I've loaded the file, I'm going to go into that procedure. This is the procedure here, 2DE819, and I'm simply just going to add a pre-made little GCX JSON function that I have cobbled together from other parts of this file to make an invocation to the drop ration spawn, procedure, and I'm going to give it a ID and give it snake's current X, Y, and Z position for arguments. And then once I export with the replace original file option turned on, I'll go back into the level after the export is finished and start popping bottles until I find bottles that have the correct behavior. Like I said, there's 3 or 4 different, maybe even more behaviors, I don't remember, that get called when certain bottles are broken. Eventually, I will find the right bottle, and you'll see what happens. So now we just popped a ration, you heard that. And another. And another. And another. And another. And another. So as you can see, it works pretty well. There's a lot of really cool stuff you can do with this GCX editor. I hope that you are able to use it and do even more cool stuff. This is something I just whipped up in not even 30 minutes. It's a pretty simple procedure once you know what you're doing. I'm excited to see what you do. And with that, I will end this video here. Thank you and happy editing.